Alright guys, I just wanted to show you my rifle setup real quick. It's super windy, so hopefully there's not a lot of wind noise. Kind of faced my back towards it, but anyway, hoping to plug a piggy with this bad boy. I got this Bestsight night vision setup. Got this Bestsight night vision setup. You can order it on Amazon for like 170 bucks. Normally, like night vision scopes, they're around like $1,000, so it's kind of pricey. And I didn't really want to, you know, I just bought this Vortex scope, which is a very nice scope. So I didn't really want to like buy a $1,000 scope for that. But this is a really cool setup. This lock ring right here, you untwist it, and essentially you can just put it onto your scope and then tighten it down on it. And it's got a camera in here. This is an infrared light, and it's got an LCD screen, so you can use this in daytime and nighttime. So right now it's in a nighttime setting. Let me click it. There you go, daytime. But yeah, it's pretty awesome, and it works very well. I've tested it out during the nighttime. For the price point of being $170, man, you can't really beat it, dude. It works very well in the dark, very well in the night. So yeah, this is my 6.5 Creedmoor Savage. Oh man, I can't remember the actual model. 110, yeah, the Savage model 110, 6.5 Creedmoor. This bad boy is sexy. Yeah. Badass raccoon, dude. He looks like a munchies. Dude, he looks like a dog. He is a dog. Oh crap, okay. Fuck. Okay, they're coming into the feeder, right? Fuck. They gotta be coming in the feeder, right? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna take a shot. You fucking shoot it. There we go. Oh shit, I don't know my air. Yeah, I don't either, but fuck it. Got it. Okay, go. Should I just go for him? Do whatever you think. This is a small bit. Oh shit. Look at the size of that one. Oh yeah. Jimmy thinks he sees him. Holy shit. Okay. Try not to die in these woods real quick. Yeah, there he is right there. No way. Let me get the handgun out and make sure he's... You see him? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm filming. Holy shit. Yeah, go check. See him? Yeah, I see him. Holy crap. Let's get him. Oh my god. No way, dude. No way. 2 minutes after we roll into the barn, bro. Nice, oh dude. God, dude. I got my first pig, dude. You did. Oh my god. Oh, watch out, babe. You fucking did it. Sick. For a nighttime shot, just getting in the blind, you can't get much better than that, dude. Dude, perfect size for this piggy.
I smell hip-hop and I want some. And I spy with my little eye. Two turntables, spin a record, so fly. Fly like an eagle or soar like a pigeon. Lay it on thick, they'll give you just a smidgen. A little devil to you, all you have to do is